After launching Realme P3 Pro back in September last year, the company has now launched the successor of it in India as Realme P3 Pro, with AI features, and it has a unique nebula design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P3 Pro features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution quad-curved OLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 810 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 14 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Realme P3 Pro sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX896 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 80 watts ultra-charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.51 by 77.34 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P3 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 24,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 26,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from February 25th, in Galaxy Purple, Nebula Glow, and Saturn Brown color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P3 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.